What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Instagram account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Instagram. Now click on the first thing that pops up. Okay, and at the bottom here you have the option to sign up. Click on that. And now we can begin. You can either create your account with your mobile number or your email. I'm gonna show you how to create it with your email. So fill in your email here. Good, now put your full name in. Okay, now you guys have to create a username. Good. Now create a password. And click next. Good. Add your birthday now. Click next after you've done that. So what they're gonna do, if you read here, they're gonna send you a confirmation code on your email. So all you guys have to do is go on your email, see the confirmation code, fill it in here, then click next, and your account will be automatically created. That's all you guys have to do. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.